Nós esquecemos. Nós esquecemos.
What?
You know.
Are we recording?
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
Inject it. Оставь потом.
Это было даже больше, конечно.
Давай, give it a try.
Так быстро приготовили.
It's actually pretty good.
Вкусно, офигенно.
Except for pretty good. Can you give more
I'll
details?
explain.
Okay.
The beef, it's pretty good. Like, it's like eating,
Just down there and juicy, cheesy.
more like bacon, like ham at the same time. And the bread, well, that tastes good too. It tastes like pretzels. Nice, is it?
Cheesy as hell. Yum, 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 yum. Try the fries.
Oh.
Crunchy.
You know, this meal is actually pretty good. The fries, they be tasting hella good. Like, this is the best fries I've ever had. I give this meal a 9.5.
The fries is crunchy and well seasoned.
Yeah, the fries are also crunchy and well seasoned too. So that's a good one.
Homemade lemonade.
We got some
Homemade lemonade.
homemade lemonade. You know, nothing's good in a homemade lemonade.
Well, it's not my favorite.
I don't like sparkly drinks, so that's a pass, honestly. But overall, the food, really great. Burger, love it. Fries, also love it. Drink, not so much. So yeah, just 8.5 overall. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.